What's up everyone, happy Lunar New Year and I hope you have a prosperous year of the tiger and please stay safe and stay healthy. Anyway, welcome to Director Discovery and I am Nicholas Clayton Lee. Today I got my hands on this, the Mi Smart Compact Projector. Anyway, let's get into it. So I've always been looking into getting a projector. At first I was thinking of getting a projector out here because I have a huge white wall, but I decided why not get it in my bedroom because I also have a huge white wall and I don't have a TV in my room, so in bed it's nice to every now and then watch a movie just lying there. Anyway, I reached out to Xiaomi and they said they have a projector for me, so this is what I have. So before I continue, I'd like to thank Xiaomi for sending me this. Like I said before, they never paid me, so whatever I say is gonna be my honest opinion. Anyway, let's open this up and see what's inside. I actually have, no idea how this actually looks. Yeah. Ugh. But it's very small, so ooh, look at this. Oh my god, this does not look like any normal projector, right? Like the normal ones are always like very flat and very like, they don't look nice. Anyway, yeah, I didn't even know Xiaomi made projectors. I just reached out to them and just asked if they do, and they actually do, so they sent me this. I'm so excited. I get a new projector in my room. Always having trouble opening these things, what the hell? So, another reason why I decided to unbox Xiaomi is because it's like Lunar New Year, like Chinese New Year as well. And I figured, why not unbox something that's from a Chinese company? Okay, here's a manual. Mi Compact Projector User Manual. And then there's a warranty notice right here. Oh, I should have used a black table and stuff. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, this is so small. I can't wait to do this. I can't wait to test this out. Look at this. Holy crap, this is so small. And then here's the HDMI, USB 2.0, the headphone jack, and the DC in. So that power, obviously. Nice. This looks really nice. Alright, let's see what else is inside. I think there's a remote controller. And I believe I also saw like a, yeah, so you can put this on a tripod. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so, oh, this is so good. So they have the plugs, and the good thing about this plug is that it actually fits in the Canada and US market. I don't have to get like a converter, which is great. I already know where I'm gonna put this. I just have to worry about whether or not the wire or the cable is long enough. And it comes with a black remote. Oh, no way. This looks pretty nice remote. There's a Netflix Live. Nice. Alright. Anyway, I'm so excited for this. Yeah, I'm gonna just test this out and see how it actually is and give you guys a review later on. So I originally wanted to put the projector on my bed frame, but because the screen gets too big, I had to move a few things around and use a tripod to mount the projector instead. As you can see, the projector is right next to my bed now. I'll now show you a few clips, one from my channel and 2 short clips from movies.
What's up everyone, welcome to Director Discovery. I'm Nicholas Clayton Lee. Today I'm actually going to do the gross grind with my friend David, and this is actually my very first time doing the gross grind. It's actually a very popular hiking trail. A lot of people use it just for a workout.
I'm also able to connect my camera to the projector via an HDMI cable. The back of the projector is where the fan blows, while the front of the projector only has the autofocus sensor at the bottom and the lens. The whole projector only has one button, which is the power button, located on the top of the projector. So as you guys can see, I did have some issues setting this projector up in my room. Maybe because I don't know exactly how to set this projector up, but either way, it is fine the way it is now. I'm gonna just leave it for now. But if I do plan to change it around and move it around one day, it's so easy because this weighs only 2.8 pounds. This is so freaking light, and the size of it is actually smaller than what you actually see. This is measured at 4.5 inches by 5.9 by 5.9 inches. This is smaller than a soccer ball for sure. At least it feels like it. Yeah. Another cool thing is, even though it's so small, it has a 1:1 throw aspect ratio, so it has a huge screen and it can measure up from 40 inches to 200 inches. That's huge, yeah, I know. But that's obviously not the recommended size. It's recommended at 60 to 120 is the best size for this, and you actually don't even have to go that far. As you guys could see, that if I put this on my bed frame, it's already too far and the screen's so big already. And the brightness of this is at 500 lumens, so it's actually really bright, for me at least, in the dark. For me, when I'm watching TV in the dark, I just try to, especially in bed, I just want to go to sleep. So I have to fiddle around with the modes, all the different modes and the settings, the brightness. I have to turn it down so that I can slowly doze off and sleep. But yeah, this works really well, and the audio, as you guys could hear, actually sounds really great on this because of these 2 speakers on the side. Another cool thing is this actually lasts for 30,000 hours. It's said to last for 30,000 hours. That's 1,250 days. That's around like 3 and almost like a half year. So honestly, some TVs last for that long nowadays. So you could actually consider getting this instead of a TV. It's pretty damn great, I think. You get a huge TV in your room, pretty much, or like a huge projector, and you can pretty much do anything you can do on a TV, especially now that there's Android in this. And I love how this projector has the Netflix and Prime Video support, so it's pretty much exactly what you want in a TV nowadays anyway. And you can watch news 24 hours a day, and ESPN, and anything you can watch on a regular smart TV, you could do it on this. So yeah, and the price on this is even cheaper because this is only sold for $599 US. That's around like $750 Canadian. But the thing is, you can't really buy this in Canada Amazon. The only one you can buy on Canada Amazon is the second model of this, second version of this, which is this Mi Smart Compact Projector 2, which looks exactly the same, but it has updated hardware and software, and it actually has the thing that I don't like the most about this, and that is the keystone adjustment. So for this one, as you guys could see, it's only vertical adjustment. For that one, it's horizontal and vertical. So even if I put it on the side just like this, 45-degree angle from the wall, on the wall it looks completely flat, which is amazing. Whereas this is, yeah, just like the shape is a bit off. But the thing is, this one you can only buy in US, but In Canada, you can only buy the second model in Canada. Well, you can still buy the first one, but it's like 1,400, which is, there's a huge markup. But the second model is only $799 Canadian. So yeah, that's around like $640 US. Guys, look into that one. Looks exactly the same. I think this looks so aesthetically pleasing. This is like the best looking projector I've ever seen, and I love it. It doesn't even look like a projector, it's so small. And honestly, even though it plays at 1080p, it has the 4K playback, so perfect projector to watch my YouTube videos. Just saying. My YouTube videos are all at 4K, so yeah. Anyway, guys, check out this product. I love this product. I'm so glad Xiaomi sent it to me. I'm very thankful for that. And yeah, highly recommended, guys, over TV. I really like how it's in my room now. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you'd like to follow me on my journey to discover more random products, places, and restaurants, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.